Hi everyone. In today's video, we will discuss about Genspark, which is basically the best tool, better even than Manus, to build a full stack application using all the tools wrapped, best tools all existent in an AI that you can imagine. Genspark is a Chinese competitor of Manus and is better than Manus, even scoring much better in the benchmarks, and can build a full stack web application using all the possible tools that other AI have, but all integrated in one. As you can see here, we have the all agent, the call for me, the deep research, the generate image, and the generate video all in one. What we will do today is to generate a advised Excel which will provide me the best topics to discuss for a channel. The goal is basically to find topics that could outcompete other channels in a specific niche. In this case, we have a channel which is one of my channels about career consulting and career coaching, and I want to analyze the opportunity for arguments, titles, and summary as mind maps. Basically, I want the title and the mind maps so that it can help me organize what I should discuss about for the next 5 videos, so that it should allow to build engagement, subscriber, and momentum for the channel. Can you give me in a format that is Excel, downloadable, and that could be uploaded to Google Docs? Also analyze the best keyword and title I should use for it, and the best text to insert in the thumbnail. So let's see what it does just with this prompt. Let's copy in case it failed because I didn't log in, or maybe it logged in automatically. Here we go. And I have 200 credits, so I don't have the full subscription at the moment. So let's also see if the 200 credits will be enough to perform this task. You can see that now it is basically using the thinking, and you can see exactly all the actions that it's performing totally autonomously. You can see that it's performing the search, the parallel search, and it's also now watching to the channel to try and understand exactly what it is about. And you can see that it display the result on the right, and the code and the preview. Basically, it can be totally autonomous, and you can even switch and watch other videos in the meantime. This is done totally autonomously. This is the power of the tools that we have now. This is even better than other tools that you might know already, which are lovable, Bolt.new, Manus. This one is the Chinese option and is very good. It uses the best LLM to perform the search and a deep research too. It also basically, if you have bugs in the application, it already sees them and find a solution for them. You can see that it's displaying the third video. It is really getting to the into doing it, and it feels like it's filling the Excel file. In the meantime, I show you the channel. This is the channel that basically I sent the link about, and there are already 4 videos at the moment. It's very small, relatively small channel, and what the goal is basically to find the next 5 topics to discuss about that could make this channel more engaging. And I will test it personally, performing those videos if they're relevant. If they're relevant, obviously, for what I can do, or maybe I will choose few of them and I will really do the content about that, personalizing them. But it's definitely a good starting point. You can see that if I wanted, I could even add the images, create videos, and performing, and you can check all the agents. In the meantime, that you going to think, I will just open Genspark in another page because what I want now is to double check what are the old agents. And yes, those are all the one. There is a data search, the cross check, agenting deep research, the one that you already see in the main screen, and the translation tool and the AI chat. I was obviously wondering if the MCP server new architecture is already implemented inside it. I checked a bit the web. I couldn't find anything about it. Let me know in the comment if you know anything about that. It feels like it should be already built, probably. I can't find anything about it, so maybe it's not built yet. Considering a wrapper so complete like this, maybe it has, or maybe don't. Maybe it doesn't need it, or it's simply just not something built for now. So you can see here what is coming from the world of AI. Genspark is just now is the point of arrival at the moment, but it's a starting point for much better other wrapper that could come out in future. Think about the competitors and OpenAI, Google. I'm sure they will come things even better than this. And you can see now we got the result. We have the preview, current channel status, and it gave me the correct result. Video range from 7 13 minutes of length, low view count, indicate opportunity for optimization. Fantastic, competitive advantage. Okay, I believe you can even export this. Is this in Excel? Would be fantastic if that is the case. Target audience. I really like the way it structured the response. It made basically market analysis of the YouTube niche and the possibilities. It also created the timestamp potential of those videos. Content mind map. Interesting. It basically created the five videos and also the thumbnail options. The 90 day to tech roadmap. Wow, definitely interesting. Very viral videos. LinkedIn profile tech makeover. Definitely videos that I would click myself. Days in a life from hospital floor to tech office. Reality check plus salary comparison. Very interesting. I'm very interested about the result that it gave. You see, it also, once it finished all the videos, it created the competitive landscape analysis, the key market trend, content gap opportunities, channel growth roadmap. I mean, realistic success metrics. I'm speechless, and I can export as a PDF file this file. The only thing I don't see, I asked for a downloadable Excel. Where is it? Maybe here? No, here is to share. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. I'm stunned about the result, to be honest. It is even better than a deep research. You can basically save this file and use it. It's a very actionable file. Here say download both document to access the full strategy, which you can import into Google Docs and Google Sheet as needed. Okay, I can definitely upload a PDF in Google Docs. Okay, probably the way I mentioned it. Okay, here said the download the comprehensive strategic document. There is a link. Interesting. It's taking time to export though. I want to click this in the meantime. Wow, it created pages that I can look. It created a website basically out of the response. And same for the other. I'm exporting the file and I will not let you wait too much, but you can see that it creates two pages, well detailed about the plan of the file content, super detailed, and even an Excel table and channel success metrics. This was able to build Genspark with the just free credits. Let me know if you're impressed too about this. If you like content like this, consider to subscribe the channel, like and comment the videos. And it will take a while to to upload the file, but it should be able to download. You can save this page as an HTML. You can scan the page as a PDF. It anyway you can export as a PDF. It will take some time. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think. See you in the next video.